Okay, so you know you can't talk about bakeries without mentioning the French. So if you're in Hako and you're looking for some amazing food, hey, this is Glenn. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go traveling. This is another amazing recommendation for you if you're in Costa Rica. This is a must-do. If you're looking for some really nice pastry, French bread, or anything having to do with the French bakery. So if you've been following my channel or me on Facebook, you know that I'm all about the food, and in particular I love my desserts. So if you're in Hako area and you want to check out some really amazing desserts, you got to go to this French bakery. It is to die for. Your eyes will love you, your stomach will thank you, and believe me, you will enjoy it. But they're not all about just desserts. They also do wonderful breakfast, omelets, and all of the French pastry that you get in France for breakfast food. They will have that to offer. Amazing coffee, and definitely lunch is a must-do there. And you can enjoy food that is authentically made like the French do. So, you got to go check it out, and you can thank me later. But if you've gone and you've checked it out and you have comments, please do so. And as usual, I will try to bring you the best content I can and give you the best recommendations. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.